How to add song on Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video I will show you how you can add songs to your Instagram story. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now first, just make sure to update the Instagram app to the latest version, and you can do this by launching your respective app store. In the search box, typing in Instagram and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Instagram app, now I just want you to go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now first, just go about creating a normal story. So I'll just go to the story tab over here, and I'll just go ahead and select any of the songs or story that I want to use. So let's say I'll also select a random picture from the list for the context of this video. If I select a random picture and let's say I want to add song to this story, all I have to do is tap on the sticker icon from the top right. Once I tap on the sticker icon, you'll see all this type of options. Now here you want to select the option called music. Once you select music, you can see for you can just go ahead and then search for any of the music you want and then use them, or you can also search for a specific music by tapping on the search music button over here. If you go to the browse section, it'll take you to a more page where you can have the access to more of the genres and songs in that way. So as you can see over here, you can see more the themes and so on. If you want to use either of this, just select it up. And once you select that particular song over here, you can just also go ahead and select on which verse of the song that you really like to listen. You can go ahead and make the changes accordingly. You can choose 15 seconds, or you can choose 14 seconds, 13, 12, 11, anywhere between all this. So I'll choose, let's say 15 for example, as for how long I want the song to appear, and just tap on the done button as well. And that's all it takes to add a music or song to your Instagram story. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.